We are pleased to introduce to you the Husqvarna 318 IS20 battery backpack sprayer. Please note the product number and serial number and provide this should you require spares or service information from your local service agent. This is what you will receive in the box: battery backpack sprayer, delivery hose, 2 nozzles, trigger assembly, stainless steel lance, seal repair kit, removable battery, charger, an operator manual which must be carefully read before using. Firstly, ensure that the battery is inserted into the charger coupling correctly and that it is fully charged before use. Now it is time to assemble the product ready for use. Connect the delivery hose to the outlet at the base of the tank. Connect the stainless steel lance and hose to the trigger. Select either a fan or cone nozzle depending on your application. Attach the nozzle to the end of the stainless steel lance. Now insert the fully charged battery into the battery slot. To adjust the harness, first place the unit on your back. Using the thumb tabs, adjust the shoulder straps and chest brace so the unit sits high and comfortably on your back. The unit is now ready for use. Let's review some of the useful features. The 318 IS20 sprayer is ideally suited for light agriculture and simple commercial spraying applications. The removable lithium-ion rechargeable battery offers up to 7 hours runtime on one charge, allowing stable and consistent power delivery to electric motor and pump. A well-positioned control panel for easy pressure adjustments without removing the backpack. Adjustable pressure dial allows precise setting of dosage for reduced waste and better crop health. Stainless steel lance resists corrosion. Base cover protects internal components. High quality pump assembly for longer life. Tank pre-filter removes large objects while filling. Fine mesh tank outlet filter removes fine particles to protect the pump and lance. Center hose outlet for left or right hand use. A translucent tank with liquid scale for precise mixing. Ergonomic, easy to adjust padded harness. Wide base with low center of gravity for stability while filling in field. High quality fan nozzle and cone nozzle supplied standard. Suits a wide range of applications. The 318 IS20 battery backpack sprayer is the most versatile and easy to use.